Thank you, mommy and papa them. I'm not going to play no music today because this one today is an emergency. So any man way, as you join me, just to share, make we get everybody. So that me all wanna listen very attentively. I already put some few audios them out. When I don't see some audios them, very few, but I will play some of them today entirely for you. And when I get for listen very attentively, way to way at the top today. So anyone will join me. When you join, you make sure so you just share them extensively. Today I want to talk about one of the most dangerous persons for this revolution, a criminal, an outlaw, and a jobless person. I will go straight for the point. I want all man way to watch me make you know. Say today now another turning point for our revolution. So when you join me, you make sure say you share, you click on share, so that all man you go join this show. We don't get more than 250,000. So if you join, just share. Me too, I will share from my own end. And this one concern so one man will not be ever get job for the America two way. He see revolution, he take he turn into something else. Just one quick minute. We all must know, say Ambazonia not be for sale. And that word is simple and straight. And I will talk today for all man. Today I need talking about pigs. Because pigs is a general name. I talk about Christopher Anu. Where he not even qualify for be a pig. He not even qualify for be pork meat. As a matter of fact, he not qualify for be dead guinea pig. Not to talk of pork. Even puff, half puff, he not qualify for be. I want to talk about today where he will even pay money when I go hear your audio. He pay money for send money for person who they die. He send money they go kill na Ayabacho for Norway. We get all the proofs. So we all now what I don't tell ADF Paul and to me they listen. Why you should tell ADF Paul and say when you be ADF person, the country they want to fight Eric Tata, don't look at the lab because now so me I can't save now. Audio for Ayabacho, they want to kill Ayabacho now only can for now. Ask for na frontline problem. So that will play them. When I will see how Chris Anu, the plan for key brother for the revolution. Even if you hate man how, you can't go say one go kill until you don't go pay $12,000 money for revolution. Either Sako use them go buy banner, or Chris Anu use them go pay me they go kill Ayabacho from Norway. Which the way Ayabacho never pay money they go kill some man. So mommy and papa they all might listen me gonna get me attentively. I will start this show in the next 1 minute. So when you join, you share. If you never share, make sure so you share. This show will be brief. We'll make this show maybe less than an hour. So I thank all man we don't join. As you join, just share. Make sure so you get all man on board. Thank you so much. Okay. Very good. Excellent. All man we in the join, share extensively. We'll get them to everybody. All man. All man with the joy, make you share extensively. Any man with the joy, make you share. Make I bring some other phone first so that I feel use them. Just share. Just share. Yes. Any man with the joy, just share. Yeah, but me they bring me the other phone. Yeah, tell Auntie Bessie me bring me that other phone with that other video they me open the code, give me the phone for Doyle, please. Okay. So I want to thank all man we don't join. I want to start the show with some video from immigration. Then I'll continue from there. My turn on one thing. Me, Eric Tato, I don't be ready for face Christopher Anu for this America. And that kind of wickedness, when man picking get them against his own people, if you turn on one thing, we don't tolerate an illiterate, a school dropout, me to make video, in the plan how we want key doctor. Very good. I talk say We don't tolerate them. Before I want to start, I will play this one way come up for immigration.
He is a young Anglophone man in Cameroon, and he's the victim of...
I want you to listen to one first. 2 days ago or 3 days ago, Chris Anuka talk say, when they call senator and so on, I'll first play the one. Muna see how Chris Andong don't contribute for the deportation of our brothers. Before I will go for that one for about Dr. Cho Lucas Ayaba. If you join me, you share. I will play on. I hear the one.
Hi guys, so we really need your help on this. A Cameroonian is about to be deported on Tuesday to his death. This is Ruth Hargrove, his lawyer. She's going to tell us a little bit about his story. And actually, there's around 199 other people on that plane that will be deported from the U.S. next Tuesday. And these people are going to be deported. They were seeking, most of them, asylum here in the United States. And a lot of those have been denied. Can you tell us a little bit about...
You hear what they talk? Say, now root this. They talk about the boy, a lawyer, one of our brothers, already among the deportees. They talk about a lawyer. You hear the top senator for here. I be telling you, I say the first person will find a lawyer. Now lawyer, not the advocate for the boy. Now lawyer, if you make voice, me senators a year. Not be say you got to talk to me, they go to call. My talk, I'm very clear. Christopher Ann. At the end of this show, I'll give a declaration about that illiterate. I will get to know. Say this kind of people not going to exist for inside Amazonia. You go plan me, go kill Cho Ayaba. Me, I not be Cho Ayaba fan. I not be fan for no ADF person. But I not ever plan me to go kill any ADF person. They feel sabotage me always. Doesn't matter, they can't answer. They need answer. Listen.
Hi guys, so we really need your help on this. A Cameroonian is about to be deported on Tuesday to his death. This is Ruth Hargrove, his lawyer. She's going to tell us a little bit about his story. And actually, there's around 199 other people on that plane that will be deported from the U.S. next Tuesday.
No longer the video, no. Now only every time to get to bring on this in the first hand. Now so I'll share it for WhatsApp. You go start circulate. When all the share and the glad. But I might go find information where the destroy Cameroon government. I bring them for now. But tomorrow I'll see the court now every time. Now lawyer that. If you talk about that deportation case, only 2-3 days ago, I'll be telling you, he said the main person for deportation case now lawyer. Now that why they need interview a senator for this? But they start with lawyer. That is the starting point. Now Chris Anu, because of wrong information, they will deport your brother or your sister probably tomorrow. But even if we get the right information, all man for don't fight that lawyer issue. But when I take wrong audio from a hypocrite, and I'm robber like Anu, when I share them, now in that I don't bring how you talk about lawyer. Now lawyer, the advocate for a client. I will put this thing in full for my page after this show. Now, I want to meet all man listen. And all man when ambassador me listen attentively. From today, after I will play this thing when I will hear. Now me, I leak that audio out. I'm going to do show from 9 o'clock. I've got a couple of students to go and say, okay, no problem. Say better, me people, they start listening to the audio. As the biggest platform, I remain a protector for any ambassador where they do good. And I will condemn any ambassador where they do bad if it time comes for condemn me. Yesterday, I condemned Dr. Cho. Today, I feel protected. So all man must walk in the cycle of truth. I will start first. When I will get audio where pigs, they don't start chop Abdul Karim. Abdul Karim don't be now pork me now. They don't start chopping. You don't pork the posh. Ma play the one here.
Consultation. So that was what I expected, and that was why I put out my own post to say, listen, we cannot condone this. This is somebody that will want taken out of the way of this revolution by all means. And when you do something like this, you come out and they say, oh, you shouldn't have attacked him or we let him or confront him. It is wrong. We are petting him and trying to appease him, and he is killing our guys and moving on. Now he comes out the following day and says, now we're in camp. Sarko's camp, and he's camp. Even after Sarko has written and said, you shouldn't have attacked him. We have to stop being babies in this thing. So, having said that, when I have a strong opinion, nothing will stop me.
Okay, thank you. Malcolm Ford, go ahead, please.
Yes, I don't know whether this makes any sense, but I have an idea. Maybe I will not be able to put it really right. I know about these two words of the moral citizen and the immoral citizen, whereby the government normally in quotes plays the moral one, and then the immorality goes back to like to the floor level, to the normal man on the street. For example, I think that there is supposed to be some difference between a leader and a lay person. I think that the immorality part of it, that is why we have the propaganda team. They are there to play the immorality, even though in real sense the immoral person is the government, but they let the propaganda.
When I don't hear no. So Sako they get propaganda team. When you see all the blue and white army, we talk and put they deny. They just start. When I be telling, I say Sako they pay people. Make the talk thing about activism. I've seen a joke. When I don't hear for them up, they get propaganda team where they play the immorality role, but it comes from Sako and the government. Now, Chris, I know that it's every day take Ayaba out by all costs. I'm gonna listen to the end.
Do that, and we pretend. I don't see anything wrong with the write-up that the AP did, and I equally appreciate the fact that he mentioned somewhere in one of his outings that no individual is allowed or something like that to single-handedly sign a deal on behalf of 8 million people, but to outrightly go out and do that. Then what is your role as a leader? Because I think that you are supposed to like show in quote though some exemplary character. You are supposed to be the leader. I think there should be a difference between a leader and any normal person, because I don't see the difference now between the IG and those people out there. Because we have comments like, okay, now I know exactly who organized the prank or whatever thing that took place in London. So I still strongly stand, because I know that you hold your opinion, but I think that I'm always going to be against it anytime I know you will always come up when the time comes. But then I don't think that that's the way to go. I'm sorry. I don't know what that's way of saying.
I think you are talking about political correctness.
Yeah, well,
yeah, that's what you're talking about. I don't dance political correctness. I do what I feel in my mind that is the right thing to do. The president wasn't supposed to tell him or to tell people, oh, you are not supposed to attack a leader. Which leader is he referring to? Ayaba, who is killing our own people, is a leader?
Secretary Chris, please, let us continue with this with the meeting. The bottom line is, it comes to a point where we need to bite our tongues and just let things go. Because once the day you sign up to be the Secretary of State for Communications, you gave away the freedom that you want to have.
I didn't give away mine, Louis. I didn't give away mine. I will give away the Secretary of Communication.
As well, but people have to.
I will give away the Secretary of Communication than my opinion.
Secretary Chris, we are making a lot of progress, especially at the level of the department.
Absolutely.
We don't want
that one has not hindered this department in any way. Or
it does.
Anyway.
Except that you don't read the comments that follow, Secretary Chris.
I read the comment. Listen, when we do the right thing, we don't have to go by comments or public opinion.
That is where the IG is losing its popularity.
No, the IG is not losing popularity because somebody makes a prank or a joke. The IG loses popularity when we don't know how to defend this IG.
Okay.
How would we defend the IG when you say
Now listen. When I listen that beginning, don't listen along. Plan to take Ayaba out by all means. Listen.
Without consultation. So that was what I expected, and that was why I put out the order, my own post to say, listen, we cannot condone this. This is somebody that we want taken out of the way of this revolution by all means. And when you don't,
you want to take Ayaba out by all means. Chris Anu. Now for day we go send $12,000. Me they go assassinate or poison Ayaba for Norway. I want to mean all man where you join me make it listen. All man make it listen. If anything happen for Cho Ayaba, Una know say that Chris Anu they be responsible. Anything happen Cho Ayaba, una quote me anywhere. I bring the audio up. I will play a next audio. Una listen how much the way revolution they go. Listen very attentively. All my will join me. Ma pull out a next audio. Me all man listen.
I was talking about Secretary Chris's sarcasm of last week about the oil deal.
Mm-hmm.
It was wonderfully formulated. But if he could do that as that we don't want to do all this and put in a hard work, and then tomorrow Secretary come and say no, this person cannot because, which to me makes no sense at all. This is an amber thing. Those are mature, responsible people, and that when they bring in ideas, it's not one person who has to come crush it.
Listen.
I wanted to say it to him first, verbally, because writing, he will choose to ignore or maybe not respond to it. He really needs to tone down. It is discouraging. As an Irish person, there are many people who feel like, you know what, I don't need to come here to be bossed around. He doesn't take suggestions from anybody. So he may as well sit down and draw that program. But we know it's not going to happen, right? So my concern is that we need to make sure that all what is being done here is not going to be changed. If not policy, then make policy go on TV. But it's not helping. His tone is not helping at all. Many people are disgruntled in the house. I reach out to pretty much everyone in this house when there's something going on, just to check on them, you know. And his tone is not encouraging. Not at all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ma. To add to what you said, I have spoken to Secretary Chris behind the scene, and typical Secretary Chris, he will try to defend it. I am a man of my, I put it the way they are. I said, Secretary Chris, the tone, your tone in the house is concerning to many of us, especially when we have people who are sacrificing a lot of time. It is 11:30 now in the UK, and not to talk of Paddy, Ground Zero, Solomon, and we are sacrificing here because we believe in this revolution. Nobody is the owner of this revolution. Whatever we are doing, and we believe that it is right, my suggestion is let us do it. Whether Secretary Chris give his accord or not, we are going to push for it to happen. I quite remember that you were with us from the start when the ABC project started. You see the level of intransigence from Secretary Chris, but we still managed to get it happen. So we should not be discouraged by. I know we are human, we should be, but we should not be all the time discouraged by the way he behaved. The most important thing, at times he comes back to his senses and look for a way to apologize. But he's not that kind of an apologetic person. But again, they say if you are digging a road and there's a big tree or a big stone on the way, what do? You go around that stone and continue digging. Yes. So right now, what we need to do is we should always go around Secretary Chris and do the things that are right, to dictate to us what we are supposed to do. It's just that there are certain things that I cannot share. What I write to him, the back and forward behind the scene, that I think maybe Kuku or Nelly will tell you about this. I say it, we write it, we say Secretary Chris, this is not right. You don't do things like this. You don't dictate to people. You don't make a policy on the fly. Nobody does that. Especially when you have independent thinkers like us in the house. Yes, we are all independent thinkers. We cannot just accept what we think is not right. And you should allow for people to have free flow conversation. Allow people to think. Because, for example, like what you just said, Comrade Aisha, if we are only going to rely on Secretary Chris, then we are going to be limited by where we can think and what we can think. Our limits, we are going to have a quick limit, but we are not going to do that. Let us put together the program and present to Secretary Chris that this is the program. If he tries to say no, what we'll do is we'll walk around Secretary Chris, just like we did with the ABC program. We shouldn't be deterred by his attitude.
Yeah. Let me add something. Two things are going to happen. It's not even at the level of the department. The problem is not at the level of the department. It's what his actions are causing the IG. which is the problem. It's not the level of the department. And I think that for me, personally, I almost left the forum and go my way. You cannot refuse the image of somebody. Then the good thing Dr. Lee said is there will be a way to go around him. Just imagine if people hear that this is refusing that somebody's image for 10 seconds should pass on the television. Do you know the kind of image they will have? It is painful, and it's not time to be discouraged. But if he continues, I will back off. I wanted to tell him today in this meeting, I will just leave the department and continue with taking care of refugees. That's what I'm going to do. We cannot leave dictatorship to come to he says his policy. So he just decided for 8 million people and then he refuses when Ayaba decides. He must be told that in very bold terms. Look at what he has done today. We are doing damage control now over an oil deal. He's joking. So if he jokes, second thing, I will take over the communication job. It's volunteer work. I will take over it. Where you can preach peace, bring people together, than tearing people apart. We have to stand firm. I'm very, very serious. I'm not going public with anything, but he should change his attitude. That dictatorship that we must hear from him, policy, from one man to decide for 8 million people.
Yeah, Solomon.
I only think that. Yes, I'm saying this like a joke. I don't feel that the good thing is.
We don't worry about that one.
We should bypass him.
This is our IG.
So, when I don't hear, so all the things that they talk about the Chris Anu, now because then I mean one, I get the courage for come for Facebook, can't talk her out. But if people there will eat, they even get worse experience. They get experience worst past my own. Now the data that they talk, I don't talk say 99% for people they will support. Now me I plan them. I'll get all audios. It will always leak. Even Sako there with 2.5 people, I'm gonna get the audio. Now when I get picture or screenshot for Sako phone, suppose the can't say na fake, na lie. Now lie say wait. Why be say you want na lie? If na chat, you know them the chat. When I say no, na group chat, na screenshot. Now when I voice that, when I hear all them, where they go inside IG, they told you they will abandon now. They go move away. It is a big shame. While revolution don't be terribly infiltrated by Chris Anu. The catch Chris Anu, his sister with how many million for your account? Chris Anu go to Nigeria where struggle with the hot. He come back, nothing happen for you, but he use for $50,000. Chris Anu come on Cameroon embassy, go take 70,000 when I was see Orton. US dollars. Today, when I hear all the way, you plan to take someone out by all means. By all means, you want Kicho Ayaba. Chris Anu sent $12,000 for Norway. I got a screenshot. If it's a lie, me come on talk. I got a screenshot. He sent $12,000 for Norway through a certain Stanley when a Nigerian boy. He said I'm through a certain Stanley when a Nigerian boy. Made a key Cho Ayaba. Send Cho Ayaba a picture for that boy made a killing. See, I'm battling on this one be about pigs. Now leave pigs and person corner. This one is the wickedness of a man when you call himself a pastor. You take money, send them for Nigeria boy for Norway. Me go kill your own brother because of revolution. You say no ever leak. But they contribute money, you take a stand up go kill Cho Ayaba. Cho Ayaba not my friend. Me I not be supporter for A of C. Una know very well. All the time. That are useless activists that they can't coach me. But I'm the second self the patron. You guys want to go China, they want to Mexican. He hate the chair where apprentice or carpentry workshops make them. Person don't go carpentry workshop for 2 days. Chair where they fix them. Now so that Mexican for China I hate they. Man because you don't all pass the age now like destroy egg of C. Now in that they don't say money for stand me go kill try but now I don't blow off the plan. So from today, make Chris Anu know he be banned from this revolution. Chris Anu be waiting, he be banned. That's an agent of La République du Cameroon. Now, whether we all to a Chris and the do it gives a wrong information about the survival of this revolution. Me, Eric Tato, I don't ban me from today henceforth. Even I go make noise like ABC or it no go ever work. You will take money. You know why I like myself? Because when I talk something, some people will kind of make this thing and so on. Yet talk where they talk, Solomon and the rest, the Daniel they did. Yet talk where they talk. All man won't leave them. But you don't get the courage because Chris will come finish you for Facebook. Now only me, Eric Tato Makwo, I come out for that means. Yeah, propaganda, yeah, they talk about propaganda machine. When I come out, they try to beg me, I come back, beg me way no day. They raise some new mushroom, then cricket, pork, meet them. Say go after Eric Tato. They put black and white army for my back in their 50 in drones. They say go talk so, go talk so. They go talk so. The intention I say, they not say I not go believe. They not say some they go believe. But the intention I say, with all those audios, I'll become weak and they'll not see the talk, then they will pursue their plan. That's what they think. But the surprise say, till today, as if the most watched, most followed, most respected, most feared, most accessible. Yes, in the history of this revolution for poor devil diaspora. So we all will know one thing, Mommy and Papa. I will play more audio spoon a year. Now, put that they turn and say, Chris Arnold, the change a dictatorship. Inside their own IG, in the technical for no man. Sako come and talk. Sako a thief for 900 million. He talk Chris Arnold can change them. Now, whether we see, none of them for IG, they don't be can talk say, for pics, they don't be can talk say, oh, Sako don't do this. Oh, Chris Arnold don't chop the money. None of the pics them not fit. Because they do it, they fear. Today, me Africa talk about Cho Ayaba freely. You cannot own no man, no allegiance. And every day I get plot with one kid Cho Ayaba, she don't quiet. Chris Arnold na for me. Cho Ayaba na for me. Sisi Kwayo Kebe na for me. I don't relate with none of them. I just stand for position for defend the truth. The wickedness for this man. Now whether I don't know how some man will be jobless. Pastor will not succeed. A man where he lives na sniper gun for assassinate people that character. From all kind of lies about people. And illiterate, a stark illiterate will not be able to get any degree or certificate anywhere. Today, yes, some person there for audio, they talk say, we have a liberal minds, think tanks. No. All now for that pick, no man not be think tank. Because never so stupid. Yeah, Madame Comfort Kung Fu, where in Massa, respectable people there. You never the man will not even get where drop out of Bambili. Now you control you, say Secretary Chris. Because you don't create ABC for Facebook. When I say take money, give. If you go take that money, go pay because you treat you on top. And then for how many people they watch me? Thousands. You don't have to go to say I don't go pay 100 francs for the Facebook page. No, not free. Instead, Facebook you give money for black-owned businesses. I don't benefit too. Yes, that's it. So that be the two and I come on and go take money, give money custom for TV, the church owner. Now I don't pass now, it go out there for go kill Cho Ayaba. My turn I want me, I got plenty things that disagree with Cho Ayaba. But he must be protected because he fight for the revolution. The only two Dr. Cho I say, he gets some armed robber heads them. The man of China, the other one they around, Canada and the rest, where they destroy. Any day try to go forward, they can't undo them, talk their own thing away, and not if they within egg of sea policy. You get my way ahead, the China man, he had the like plan, like chair, where people don't come, carpentry workshop, apprentice don't do them for 2 days, 2 days for apprentice. Now I will not come here, not talk say, oh, Eric Tato this. So that's why sometimes when I look the egg of sea food, I say, these guys are very dull. Would you respect some of them now? Because at the end of the day, I don't know where to fight. When I go this side, fight Eric Tato, do this. You just feel like I can't fight now. But if I want to fight now, one day I crush all man for egg of sea. Write it down and me Eric Tato talk. You don't see pigs there, no? Pigs that they make noise. Say Eric Tato will go under balls. You don't see say they don't know. I don't crush them down by 98%. And the 2% must get done, they must be down. Because those are armed robbers in this revolution. Armed robbers. And if those small crickets for egg of sea, if Nama finish camp on a skin last, I be doing 2 years ago, I'll be back. You know why you're expendable? Commando tear and a chick knows now say I'll be back. I ain't come back. So I not reach make a man should that play where I'll be back. Because if I come on top egg of sea, now one life show you probably finish. So me Dr. Cho one day put them because now me I can't help you now. For put plan, they pay money for Stanley $12,000. And they can't blow the alarm so that me all man know. Say any chapel Cho Ayaba he hate egg now Chris Anu. And me Chris Anu know from today. From today, he not get nothing for talk about the revolution. Me show his job, show how much you don't. That's a thief. Oh man, when I read that, Chris Anu don't destroy the person. Pick up, look, Honorable Weaver. They get for bargaining talk again. Because no man one can get for people can pick fight. Where one can talk a big opinion, they can't rob you. Today now, they stand on top Abdul Karim. And for Abdul Karim in case, when I know I start fine, they pick them. Karim a Muslim man where they convert to catch up pork. Now you're feeling it don't start posh. They don't start the koshi. They know how koshi when you old way they kosh Karim. They say they will put it inside basket. Basket small. When I find a trunk, the trunk where picking they use them for go school. Where primary school picking they use them for boarding school. When I put in inside that work, when I help me, when I do the work for me. Yeah.
Abdul Karim.
When I hear very well.
Mr. Abdul Karim, with all due respect we will give you, we embrace you like a brother. We take you like an activist, we like leader. But road we don't go, Mr. Abdul Karim. You don't make we all from your right up. We don't feel somehow for you. Now so we balabi starts. I don't know whether because you don't go for prison you come out, that blood for that people where they need to give and for conduct they for you. Because if you like a leader where you deal with the act, if you stand, you put this kind right up. I don't know whether you be really open your Quran. Na Quran una call and you read at that morning time, then God authorize you for talk that talk we talk. Which unity you the ask out your bachu? Which unity you like a leader will you be the collide with the Ayaba? I don't know whether you don't talk to Ayaba face for your life. For this all these atrocities where Ayaba don't commit them. Mr. Abdul Karim, I ask you. Person not be inside prison like how you be biddy. You can't rule the people. How you expect so many people they embrace Ayotabe inside prison? And not now other one that. When you say to be inside prison, even you Abdul Karim, we talk to we know we accept them because you know they outside. You don't always be a nice person we all will respect them. I just pray say this thing where you talk am. This you write up we write them. Maybe it's an error where you do them. Typing error. And then you come back to your people. If you really want to work with your people, may they take you the way they take you. Come back to your people, come express yourself. You can't tell them why you talk this thing, or you can't tell them the error will come your mouth. We expect for hear from you, Abdul Karim, because you don't always be a good man away from the word go, you stand like a thunder. But when you want to start the bend like this, we no mind, you go enter under basket. Your own say na under basket. While I looked up in under bus. So we don't ever want to enter under basket because we don't put all.
No, you know they're under basket. It's kind of I say Abdul Karim be done under Abdul Karim they under train. Muslim way I be don't tell you. I like to say you are telling like that. Now pork don't bite pork. Although they not get hurt. When I use my tail for bite inside pot. Now Karim that the under test they put inside basket. You know what I mean? They say you know they mean they put my inside basket. Man explain on you. Means the tension be lightweight because you not even qualify for go for bus, even for taxi, even Okada, even that horse where Abdul Karim be climbed, that way he come out prison. Now they say that prison don't start confusing because you write one thing where differ with that opinion. Now so way they picks the function. Now I'm trying to say plenty of them with that sacco too and not be known if it's a joke. Plenty of una there for day una piece of the joke. Now they don't know. Una don't know what you na dede. Some of una dede. So all una there for know one thing. As a matter of fact, you must understand. Say we don't get a strategic formation in terms of our revolution. Now in that they say they'll put Karim inside basket, not be any under Okada. Me say, he not even qualify for go corner bicycle. Now they way that way, all they say is we don't do them. You come over and go Swiss. Switzerland no work. You can't go chop pork. Now that Muslim. If you hear the most corrupt Muslim in the world, now the young man. The young man where he can lie, say get 4 degrees. They say le Sako. They say le Cristiano. Oh, they never lie about 9 degrees. All the time. That's the effect of eating pig. You know, say pork me the posh. Now Karinda, you don't start posh. They don't start poshy. They find a basket where they want to put it inside. I beg. When I use plantain leaf or cocoa leaf, big one, that Igbo cocoa leaf. When I put that inside for a poor Karinda, I beg, because a posh, it go leak. We don't want smell for compound. All man must know. Now that when I don't hear that audio, Mami don't have the argue. Una all picking them there for here for Texas. They get for deport them tomorrow. Chris Anofe move wrong audio. Divert for the attention. Now that. Is he not responsible for the deportation of those children? How you go do come man the sick malaria? You go carry a medicine for typhoid again. You know what kill that person? That's what Chris has done. You call it, what we pass Chris Anu if he be the fight for the revolution. For come up for Houston, come for Texas, for Dallas, for play the one deport that point, eyes one deport that for them. Find the 10 people come for airport, can stage a protest. Will you not help those children? But no, all your own are for thief money, now for bring confusion, now for send money to kill Ayabacho. My turn one thing. From today I don't talk, I'll still repeat it. Anu Christopher. The armed robber will use 19 million for pay phone bill, telephone, hello. 90 million, either for there, now he declare, not be me. You use 19 million for pay phone bill. Sako also better, Sako use now only 60 million for buy paper where they write. Sako use 60 million. Chris Anu, the guy that me said, the everybody big time scammer, the way they sell bird, like hush puppy, the way they sell thing, they need to spend that kind of money. At least, hush puppy own. If you go buy a Gucci, you see expensive thing then. If hush puppy say don't spend $100,000, if you see him for a skin. Sako, what you go talk say? Sako, you buy paper for right presidency for 88,000 US dollars. Over 16 million CFA. Chris Anu say pay phone bill. Every all look phone them. All the phone on my hands so I'm not pay phone bill every $300 for 1 month. Yes. But me say $300, me say if you say for the whole year. How is this spend for phone bill? Me with business account. Now how is now $5,000 or 6,000? Chris Anu say use 6 my converter. Maybe I talk maybe they confused. $6,000 for my the one business. Then all has phone or team. Now much my converter of CFA. 1,000 if it be 600. So you go get 3.6 million. Now my own money that. But Chris Anu say use 19 million. We're gonna one phone. And then, see, I want clap for now, pigs, please. Yesterday, I don't move out from pigs. I don't do na back because I've been a pork. Yes, today I put my head back, I can't clap before I turn her back into pork meat. It's a terrible thing. And then you go plan for key. When I hear the tea with the pigs and say they talk, sorry, the pork. When I don't go back for pork. Pork them. When I hear you, I talk. Say, Chris, I'm a dictator. But I'm not think I talk. And you see now, when I see what I tell, I say the people the way. Sako they pay them for do propaganda. That put the way see that they even do for that meeting, no even know what happen. They talk and talk and say, oh, they like this, don't fool them, and so this is what is not going to happen. And from today, Christopher Anu is banned in Ambazonia. We don't want to see him. Even I don't know, Field Marshal, he don't get Cameroon passport. Any of you don't know, surprised to see Field Marshal for maybe don't come in America or something. Now surprised. But as I don't talk so for play where they don't want to say me go make video, audio. Say every time we talk, say I don't do so. Yes, you get Cameroon passport. We get all the information. So me all man be on the move. The revolution don't come back to track. We don't get traction for revolution. We don't figure a criminal. If he full put there all how long. That's an armed robber where they negotiate deals with Cameroon government. It is send his sister money. Now thief people they go send every like Republic agent for come make comment about petrol and they don't take at the share them. They get propaganda. Wait, maybe I talk so. They get propaganda department. I don't hear for Ojo come for plan. Now Chris and go take $70,000 US. Where go take them for? Cameroon embassy. He use them for pay TV bills. I go show now one of the residents. Me all my son. And will not fit for a lifetime for getting armed robber for the revolution. Now, when I ask Christian, you say, be the one waiting before he joined the revolution. Now, Sisiku Ayoktabe Chilos, bring in. And I want to say, Sisiku on punishment for the revolution at Christian. Now, the man that way, God punish you. Now, in this, it don't destroy revolution. Thief money, destroy everything. Pigs, they always, you know what I like about some few pigs? If you look at 99% even poor, they pigs them. They don't retrain and they never make comment. They study the talk where every time they talk. They know say all things never turn on the fact. Now few days they see for that propaganda department. You know why they don't receive money? You only go. Some of the people they see talk in favor of Sako and Chris Anu. Listen very attentively. Those people are not on salary. Because for this time, no normal person now do carrying that. You only go right one thing, they all start cautious to put inside basket. And that's what will happen to all of you. Might tell until about Chris Anu and Sako. Once you stop for support them, they come for you with full venom. That's what they did to me. And when I'm not saying I'm not being a man picking saying that God ordained me, they don't destroy me. But you don't listen to me. Get the maximum belief, highest credibility. Because in me, every tattoo, I stand for the truth. Now you see this, Mashona. Me all Nasian. Sako Gami follow argument, Chris Anogami 90s. I'll show them when I see the money. 90s, 60,000 US dollar, wire fee, 9 that. 60,000, look at very well, 9 that for them. 60,000. Okay. 90s. Now they name that. Sender. They use sender, and sender that way they send them. Southern Cameroons Foundation Incorporated, 9 that. Not chicken. Bless check. And I go 90s for bills, wire transfer. I want to show that all team when I see them. When I see them, I will put the receipt out for all man for see them. You go take money for enemy, for pay TV, for use and for talk to me, for key Ayabacho, for key Ayokabe, for key Wiba, for key Dr. Makongo, for key Jomba Aku. Now the next list for a victim, now Abdul Karim. For a victim list, now Abdul Karim. As for Abdul Karim, when I put it inside that basket quick, because no rich play for go. I don't tell him. Say you are the Muslim when you don't start your pork. You are finished. Now this is the joke. Imagine, say Chris Anu, you go take money for embassy for Washington DC. I'll bring all the pictures, videos. I want them to make noise. You go take money, then you use them for Kiwa people. Might be very clear about this fact. All man will don't ever contribute $1 for Chris Anu. Please, I'll be sorry for you. And I won't bet you say, continue for game. Me they chop and kill revolution. If you look and very carefully, not time, not the way Chris Anu ever can talk something way in the first time revolution. On a bien the Solomon talking. Solomon Mambo. I quote him for that audio. When I hear it up. Say, we never live here on the old dictatorship of Bia, for can enter another Bia. No! Oh, we have a pigs, we are not very part of the revolution. We are not a part of the revolution. Our people cannot be dying. Because they die. Every day. Yes, some audio way, video way, some B man do for Bamungu. Where the Koshua fighter say, even shoe for that food, they not get them. Yes! They don't get shoe, but they get banner. When I leave fighter, I need buy them shoe, but I make that banner, then go give them the winner. You go give man banner, give like 10,000, 20,000, way hungry day. He take a whole and start the scene. Man, turn on one thing. Our revolution, they back on track. And while I don't ban Chris Anu from Ambazonian activity, he has been banned. Declared personal non grata. We don't want cash anywhere close to anything in Ambazonia. When I hear audio them. When I hear, I'll play one last time. When I hear to it that he won't put the talk about it before I continue. Now why I transfer them that? Now in that so. I don't show Namona Siam. I'll play back those audios them. Yes, they talk about it. Shameful. Disgraceful. Say, for our own time. When I get the courage now for talk for meeting. I don't really plant people them inside there. Not you know they want to talk with that no yeah. How if I do get screenshot where Sarkozy proposed for do things, so he send $2,700 for that spam chop guy for Germany. You can phone and say no, be this thing a screenshot not this. The one how do get the audio? As some person guys say egg of sea intelligence don't get that things. Ask they say who give them? Who give them? If me I not lick them, I not get them. If me I not get them, I not get them. Yes. If you look at 4 a.m. for American time, while I receive them. Now in this. My show na my source. So that I see them. Now 4 a.m. this. I began to do show. Go calculate how many hours ago. No man no don't get this thing for me. My person inside, he take them, arrange them well. We put us on corner, they'll start sharing them. That's what they do. Now authentic. So my player, I'm again when I put no don't hear. Yet when they talk about Chris and Louis, and this is very important. It's very, very important. Listen.
We don't want to do all this and put in a hard work, and then tomorrow say you can come and say no, this person cannot because, which to me makes no sense at all. This is an amber thing. Those are mature, responsible people, and that when they bring in ideas, it's not one person who has to come crush them. I wanted to say it to him first, verbally, because writing, he will choose to ignore or maybe not respond to it. He really needs to tone down. It is discouraging. As an outreach person, there are many people who feel like, you know what, I don't need to come here to be bossed around.
He doesn't take suggestion, but he takes money from the Republic. You take $12,000, send them for Stanley, for Nigeria, a Nigerian boy for Norway, make it go kill Cho Ayaba. I talk very clearly. And me, the pigs, they listen. Tomorrow, they deport from our border. Tomorrow. But I want to talk one thing. Any might watch me, if you know I share this show, share 1 ton or something. For the America, for Europe, any side way they take my number. 917-480-1068. Put +1 917-480-1068. And my phone number that. Call me anytime we get asylum issue. Or we will give you authentic affidavit of support for free. You want to put your name for website, if your story be genuine, call, we will study them. Now you're right. You hear that lawyer, they talk for you about the client. So we all will listen. You don't see to that, I don't block any person, I don't block any person. Look, the negative comments, they not pass 4. Now the 4 people they sit there for propaganda, this thing, most of them have the propaganda, you already come out, when I put they surrender. I'll walk away, I'll take it, it's a voluntary job. All man, therefore know one thing. Just 1 quick minute. That one that Chris Anu fake profile SSF. I know the profile, so I got to take her out. Yo, go bring new one, can listen. The number now +1 917-480-1068. I don't talk I'm very clearly for this show. Say, we'll not tolerate an illiterate, a sellout, a green leg. Chris Anu not be black leg. Now green leg. He pass black leg. Because a green snake inside green grass. Get them very carefully. Please, if I don't read the number, you never get them. The best way for you now, for just mark the position for the show. You look the time for up. That's why you go for the watch show, the calculator. The time for up way, I read the number. Where you finish the show, you come back, come watch and forward and come for the take the number. I know the read number all through for show. When I help me to my help now. I'll read the number one last time. In fact, the number there for my National Telegraph page, but I will read that. +1 917-480-1068. +1 917-480-1068. It is for WhatsApp. It is direct line. We get for assist for people. I the feel for now. For work all the jungle, pass through the worst jungles on earth. For come from America, or take flight goes on different country. Then because of some small document, they repatriate back for playing a death sentence. We'll not agree. We'll get for fight for our people. Yes. Now, every magazine I want to produce, I will dedicate 1 or 2 pages for to talk about the crisis so that all the Congress people will read them, all lawyers, all hospitals will have to fight for our people without any interest. without trying to score a political point or a kind of like a popularity point, we fight for them. So me all will be aware. All man when Ambazonia get right for Eric Tato will help you. Whether it be cost me or whether it be pork or you be Eric Tato a supporter, now one thing I feel done for all Ambazonians. I don't care whether I be pick. Because some of now, you call me, you be my supporter. But your brother and actually pick. I will still help you. I will still help your brother because of you. Whether your brother and a pick, it cost me. Some of them still call me. I will still help. So all man must be on standby for assist these people there. If you don't call me, say this one I not respond, insist until you get me. Before I go, I want to talk about the situation for Tali. Then I will come back for the immigration thing. We get a group of people there for Tali where they call themselves whatsoever. Tali there for Upper Bayan. They kidnap the entire village. Me they stop them. Yes. If you be Tali Peking, or if you be Tali person, if you be stranger, you come for Tali. You the one in military, or you do not wait for the kidnap or people that ask ransom. Me stop them. We not get that kind of precedence for money. All this information, now cut the part send for the guy there for Tali. They catch people them, take and cross, go to beat them, start call their family, they ask ransom. It not will happen. And this one not be Amber the one. Because no Amber they be kidnap person for the community. So I consider you should be enemy be like Republic. If you go for Tali, you go catch Tali people or nearby villages. That kind of attitude is not a Manuman's attitude or an Ambazonian attitude. So this one I don't really want. I'll go further for talk about the immigration thing because now it will be very crucial and pressing. All what people them get, whether they for Greece, Cyprus, or you for Belgium, anywhere, they are right. They work plenty for me, but I try my best. Your contact we will write or you send away through an email, official email with all office address. So this is the time. The time is now. And remember, say, meet no man officer if you just go fix something in a national telegraph. Immigration will always call my number. Ask me, say, do you know this? I'll just go my machine. Now search now. I just put your name for search bar. If it come up, I will confirm it. If I not see your name for my machine, I will deny. So now use my leniency. Go do something where it will implicate you more because the only thing they will do is verification, identity authentication with me. I'll either green or I'll deny. So the best way for you, now if I don't take some $30 of a person copy and I will get you and make sure say I named it for my machine. So all we must know that. Without much ado, I want to thank all my don't join this show. I will make this show very brief. And I want to tell all Ambazonians say, all man na Eric Tato a friend, all man na Eric Tato an enemy. Write this statement for down. All man for the revolution are my friend, all man are my enemy. I will explain. All man are my friend and vice versa. Because if my friend if you do the right thing, I can promote you. You my enemy, if you do the wrong thing, I can condemn you. That is my life. Now, right away, I still stand because as an independent activist, they will try to destroy the poor for Konengi. I stand put my back. They don't whip and whip and whip and whip and now they whip now themselves. Yes. Me all man know that one. So we not stand here, we condole person the plan for go assassinate Ayabacho. I don't talk say they pay $12,000 for Stanley. Tomorrow they will see wire transfer transaction with the show. You'll come out and I'll put it out. I'll put video out, picture out. Picture where Chris Andy come out from embassy. He there. So at the top, because like I said, they can't make noise then, I put her out there quietly. But me, all man when the egg of sea, take this small warning. Give you a chicken the way they don't know that left from the right. When I left know one thing. When I see I read something, sometimes they send me something. The man, the Mexican for China. The dollars Ambazonian. Now the only man that way Chris Andy get sense passing. Now the only man that way Chris Andy get sense passing, that man for China. He own dullness he be radical in door. I mean, if you just say that one for China, egg of sea, now listen. That one man for China. If you look, he gets zero charisma. That's it. Be simplified. If you understand in a dorma. Now the only man that way Chris and will get sense passing. The only man. When I warn them, all than a small activities that they can come on him. I ignore them. many times because they're not there for level I get for carry every whole life should talk about them. But if they continue, I will assume saying I have a child endorse them. Me, I need to go for cricket. I'd go now for the hunt, I'd go now for the might spray the cricket them. Get them very carefully. So if it continue, we will look now egg of see the structure and I have a child the leader. Now you are the attacker. I talk and claiming for him for my live show. Because if something happen, if you go post them for egg of see page, it means I have a child the supporter. So if they continue, that's what's going to happen. Me, are they like street light? I dey warn you, this is red, don't pass. So that if you pass, police go pull you. Me, the one be a warning. All those small chicken egg of shit actors, not my level. I don't put money, energy, and time for the revolution. None of them will ever do 1 billion or 2 billion. So I know she don't get some picking them. Man go store China, we don't know it left from me right. You don't know how for wear. Even country cap, we go take her for boy, you bring her, you don't know how for well and for head. You can't make noise. Man, we all his sentence now wrong. The children is going to school. Anytime we even put the child, he will put an R. The children, he will put an is. He always exchange plural. You know, no spelling, no correcting. The children has gone out. So that's how he operates. Una warning. Una warn, and he go to even the fake property they go egg of C. Today they want kill una master, and I don't blow the alarm. Tomorrow I can't call Eric to a name. If I come on to una not succeed. And I need come for I need go find a maximum channel, find a yabacho. You don't see pigs they make noise. I dey go worry myself over. One time they can't hit the small pigs. But they until the cheap pork sako. It cheap money, they bring proof. Every day now they hurt them pass. So I know sorry all team be hot all man for the revolution. So if I want be and when I know me, if I take my time, say 1 month and tell yabacho, or when I will cry, that time I will do the real life show about me. So when I avoid me, it be for our best interest. No, I need some man to go talk for Yabacho directly. I need to talk for Yabacho directly. Because Yabacho is saying no, the two he put the one. If you say the man want to talk, I go to talk inside the pet man. I need pet no man. So one need the egg of people they want them. When I not be fight me. When they fight me, like the public they fight me, people they fight me. All man it claims when I won't fight it at all, but I still get the highest following. Now for another one. Yes. Any group where one be anti-revolution. So everybody should be warned. Tell them. You don't get chicken them. Chicken. So me all man warn them. Me be clear. You see pigs and I don't know. When you see I say pigs and I say, oh, they were going to kill Eric Tato audios. It took me some few months. Where are they today? Destroyed. Where them they? Egg of sea. When I warn on our own people. Say they need to pay Eric Tato. So I say, our guy is not taken anywhere. When they put my name for that thing and talk do and go up, come down. Say Eric Tato this. You don't see my Tato, I need talk. But only one talk I told they enter the skin. So meet egg of sea taken as warning. I need joke with no man we want to destroy the revolution. They want kill Ayabachona. When I be ever know say they give $12,000. The old Joe, ask them, na me, I send them out. For everybody look at them. Na me start share them. When I egg of sea is strongest supporter, a brother, and my very best friend. For money time, I'm sure see the one key Ayabacho, 4 a.m. when they still sleep. We'll start sharing. So all we get for no. Sako be the main outside. You see Sako will come here. I don't advocate for tomato against Sako. I'm not going to talk about chicken then. So me egg of sea. When I warn down rats them, down crickets. Where they make noise, they don't know that left from the right. I'll end for here for thank all my dollars. If you know I share this show, go share extensively. Me reach all place. Call me if you get your everything will write you for magazine. If I look at story, be authentic, write down. Find small your magazine, put you there. You get it right. Forget your story represented. It be authentic. There is a crisis in the region. I'll write and put your name and write. Authenticate you. So call my number. If you call me for 917, call direct many times if you not get me. I'll end the show for talk say, when would you do, when I see the revolution, every time the vacancy you can ask contribution. No. But when a situation there, now boy that don't shoot his food the rotten. My brother for Boston, Massachusetts, I be send me the video. Would they ask for they say, small contribution for help the fighter, where they don't want the food. No, when I talk go left, talk go right. Una need contribute apart from very few. So I will still put a video and I will make an appeal. Now the video this. Listen.
Tuesday is the 5th of October 2020. So therefore you come now no matter say this now ROF this. We accident may happen 2018 for GZ for location XX for Manu. Yeah, what do we go for? Go preach, deliver the demons, but along the line, the demons too, they deliver it. Yeah, so we will be affected, we will be inflicted by the brunt of the gospel they go preach for the revolution.
So they were brother get a situation. A foot now he get problem, he need operation, he need for assisting. Why you can't show the video you talk, you should show the normal and he can help. But now one fight typhoon and he can help. Now the video that I will put donation links in here. If you feel touched, you want help the fighter, you need help now Eric Tato. Put down for your mind. All who ever put our hands on deck for assist people like this. I know why they ever talk about money issue. Anytime I want to talk about money, I talk about the end for my show. Because the people that they remember for this time, now my people. The rest that don't come, they hear that one small thing don't come and go. I'm sure they're busy. Some they also can't finish the show. So all man, when they watch me in on thousands, I the beg and appeal for this small guy with food on spoil from Nigeria. Me all man listen. I want to make a comment on the side where somebody talk say Abacho na big waiting. No, Abacho is not a big thief. Abacho is a genuine patriot where they fight the revolution. Now say get people the way they destroy him for back. So better and say you be show fight I face. You know what you be fight I face. If not be stupidity, you can't actually show fight I face. If I not show the face, no can claims I don't take the money now for go chop. And who tells you na fight I face? You know the condition before they show the video out. That's all na pics they on a day. Always with this thing. So now you know so they show fight I face. One man with foot broke. I show him. You talk say they show fight I face. They always Sako use banner. All that face they come out, they not see that one. That not be fight at that face. Now pick that face. Nyam fuka. That's how dull you people are. With that said, if you talk now for good, I'll be sorry. But if you talk now for bad, I maintain that caution, I caution you. Now, I don't talk for you. I'll give the cash app, I'll give the Zelle. So person they try for call. I don't know why on direct call. But are they live? You want participate? Okay, thank you. Because I call for video and surprise. Alright, thank you, bro. So now the situation that if you want to help this fighter, Zelle, Cash App, PayPal, you send screenshot. Will show all the figures. 202-905-8701. Now the Cash App and the Zelle that. 202. I talk now so some person just send $25. Now in that brother Alfred. Now in the job come now in this. So but one brother Alfred don't send $25. Nana so I just talk. 202-905-8701. Now the number that you send them for Zelle or for Cash App. But Zelle most preferable. 202-901. No, 202-905. Thank you, brother Alfred. I don't see a screenshot. That's what they do. If you want to send Zelle to for that first number, I read down. I'm going to 917-480-1068. It's still be okay. 917-480-1068 or 202-905-8701. Brother, one of our brothers say, "Man, check PayPal." If you just send me the screenshot, he travel. Man, see. Okay. Okay, brother Allen, don't send $100 for PayPal. The PayPal na ntelegraph@gmail.com. ntelegraph@gmail.com. That's N, small n, then telegraph@gmail.com. So we will help the fighters. Or we send 202-905-8701. Write it down. Oh man. You get for remember for assist these people. Not the only way you put the hot. We get the whole Ambazonia wounded fighter every day. Thank you. Some person don't put the paper for the ntelegraph@gmail.com. Me, Eric Tato, when I'm not expecting, I don't do shooting, I don't try. But not especially every time we only Eric that talk, they put money. When I go for the assist, different boy they talk on Facebook, when I pay them salary, when I pay them house, when I buy them crabs them, give them money, they buy that girlfriend, they hand back. And therefore my own I only can talk. I only can talk, defend all man. I need ask no man salary. Every radio, now listen about free, but the radio, when I get you be careful, be community funded. All my listen the radio, get for go the donate. Although no I put donation link. Yes. But imagine for how many months, how many years would you run Telegraph? All money read for free. Not be easy thing. So why you can say, help Amber. Help the guy that they wound them. You get for only just think, say, okay, no man, just do something. I'll read the PayPal and the Zelle. If you watch your Facebook or YouTube or any site, please. Somebody don't send me some receipt. I never say I will check them because the command of the other phone. 202-905-8701. 202-905-8701. Zelle and Cash App. Or if you use 917-480-1068. Or use PayPal. If you any part of the web, if you use PayPal. We are ntelegraph@gmail.com. Keep your receipt. Because one thing about me, not transparency. Now, either way, for the longest time, you don't see all the pics them. They don't get to the say, oh, every time took this, don't try that will not work because they never bring receipt. Now they go bring a conspiracy. I don't go take our camera, but I don't go do this. If it be easy, them two, they forgot to take that one. The small one, I take them for 70,000, we don't catch them. Some person say, I salute you, Brother Allen. Thank you so much. God bless you. So, all we must understand. All man say a receipt, I go put them together, I go read them. So now, if he say Cash App, they already worry me. And if he send out for Cash App, if I feel receive, he find me. If I not be received, if they send them back for you, please call me, find a way to send it back. So 202-905-8701 or PayPal na ntelegraph@gmail.com. ntelegraph@gmail.com. All my watch me, get to do small thing for assist them. Every Tatoni ask all man for Anna. We not even start do any contribution for Anna. The group doesn't so they see the look for, they see the talk, they share thing them. We build up the momentum. When you come for talk for say, look like for dark. Are they completely excluded from dark? Are they completely excluded from dark? Now Dr. E them, Sister M them, Brother Allen them, they the manager, everybody is happy. They help farmers, all organizations. Now I see me, I say if I get anything to do, the financial arm in the future must be in a dark. Because that's the most transparent platform. So I thank all man we believe in this Amazonian cause. Thank you all for our support. And I want to assure all man with the immigration problem. Say this is the one stop. You'll be helped. I'll give you a list for immigration lawyers. Now I will talk about this Scrum class. With plenty people that won't call me. They ask me, say that Scrum class, they not get the number. I won't give the number again. That class is start on the 17th of this month. With me, I'll be student for the class. I'll be student for the class on the 17th of this month. I will just read the flyer from the flyer. Now, Verbatim LLC will be owned by Brother Jeff and Dr. Mufo. Dr. Mufo and a partner, he profile they on already. So, any man when you watch me, take this number. If you want those come, you call immediately so that they will include you for the few lists for put the remainder 6 months, rather 6 weeks. You become a professional and immediately you go get a job because they will train you through for get job. If you earn that kind of $100,000 plus, when are 60 million that. So you own 60 million. You go be at the right work. If you like one, you can go buy now only pencil for 60 million. No man can question you. But not go take the one who contribute like Amazonians them because you want to buy paper for 60 million. We're not agreeing that one. 60 million. Yes, people they end up with the country times 10. So for the Scrum class, it will be offered by Verbati LLC. Verbatina, VENBATI LLC. Why you get the phone number now +1 443 329 9003. If you contact them too for their website for www.verbati.com. Verbati as I spell on VENBATI. Or you contact that, you write them for email for support@verbati.com. If you still want more information, call me after this show. Now, may I get them very clearly. How much is the cost? Please call the people them. If you negotiate your price, call them. They give discount. Anybody go to say, I refer you, they'll give discount. Now, I will go further for thank all my don't want you show. See when I'm in a city, still how many hours? I city over close to 1,000. That is the spirit. While revolution, they back on track. And we'll put eyes on Norway. Make sure say Dr. Cho be safe. So all we will get for be happy say we get back our revolution track. Take our revolution back from the armed robbers. For put the one contact the Weber team on WhatsApp, I'll give that WhatsApp number. Now very good class. Me, I'll be a student, and in 6 weeks or maximum, I'll be a certified Scrum Master. John Baraku, a certified Scrum Master. He get good job. Dr. Fontaine Neba, a certified Scrum Master. International. Dr. Fontaine Neba said, I can 6 Scrum certificates. He talk now companies and stuff like that. Whole meetings. So now I will talk say me, oh man, if Chris Ann with America for how many years, if you go decide what you fix now TV, when not be bad team, but when I say not succeed, he not succeed for fixed TV, he not succeed for fixed church, because the guy head too empty, nothing need to stand for them. So if you get for Weber Team LLC, or you get weberteam.com, that this thing that, and then we just want to talk say, what magazine they come up, any man we want advertise for any part of the world, we'll get a soft and a hard copy. Contact we, your business go day out there in the day of light. Because Telegram will start talk show in small time. I will be very good for you for always get your businesses on there. Without advertisement, you not succeed. So I want to thank all man once more. I'll go back to talk about our fight. I say, search your conscience. Try help these fighters the way they get wounded. Small, it will assist them. So I want back all man. I will show the video again one more time. Say, when I try on our best for say on assist these guys. So I don't really read the cash up, the paper. Any man want assist. Fight. Not be you want get wound. They did plenty. Or they try to make sure see me all then they find. I want to take opportunity for salute all man for Grand Zero way. He put a credit for watch me. All na for refugee camp, I don't gather for watch this show. All man for diaspora. I dey pray for now. And when I know say if one thing they will have hope on. Have hope say if time reach for say me some man get neck me the cut and moon again independence. Eric Tato will be there for now. If they call say find one man, me come the cut in neck, me get independence. I beg, call my number. I'll come and give the neck. So I want to thank you so much. Magazine this still they know come out. You come out, you get the copy, we'll make the announcement, we'll make the launch. Thank all man. We'll be out there for assist everybody. If you get immigration problem, call. We'll try to prepare after the and try to see what you do for put you inside magazine because now right problem they back home. And you have to use that copy, that hard copy, plus a soft copy for go for court. Say, George, this is my story. We'll not forget any of our boys that's been deported until we don't get to our country. So may God bless you now. And we'll continue for remain very, very faithful to the cause. I will leave on. I've been intent to make this show 1 hour and I know I make me pass 1 hour. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. We'll pray for all our brothers that don't die before we. We'll pray for all refugees, all our prisoners, everybody we get help for the revolution. God bless you. Salute my brothers and for Canada, those and for Brazil, those and for Colombia, those and for Venezuela, Philippines, all for Belgium, Norway, Ireland, Holland, Denmark, everybody, Nigeria, Kenya, Ethiopia, Uganda, Rwanda, everybody, Massachusetts, Ohio, everywhere. Some people I know some always call Ohio. Now, with that said, ladies and gentlemen, I'll leave you now. Say, may God bless you now. Thank you now so much. If you know, don't share this show, go back, go share this show, and make sure say we remain in one spirit. And will not forget say, Anu Christopher be banned from this revolution. Tomorrow we will come with more evidence. Thank you now so much. Have a wonderful day. And if you see how much progress we don't make for put sanity back into this revolution. We not tolerate now we use 90 million for pay phone bills. Or now we use 60 million for buy papers. Say na office paper. No. That kind of armed robbery. Enough it happen for the revolution. Why were they alive? And I want to thank the few people that were inside the pigs. Yesterday they've been a pork. I don't graduate them back, bring them for pig. Where the big get a bold mind for talk about the excesses for this illiterate, this armed robber called Chris Ann. Now just courage And I want to thank anytime what sources they inside and I continue to lick me those audios. Because when I fight for Ambazonia, not for any person, just as when I talk. So I don't plan enough people them inside Sako. All time I'm gonna get audio with the leak. So we thank all man and we say God bless you now once more. And we pray, say our revolution will come back the way it be for 2016, 2017. I salute to Morocco, refugees are dead. Ghana. Because in area of Africa, there were plenty of our refugees. Nigeria, Ghana, Morocco, and other countries. In fact, all places for this world will get refugees in there. Greece, Turkey, Japan. Any man write their place where they watch me, Marcia. I will call you based on your place. I don't see Japan don't pass. If you want to have some state for USA, write down. So the salute all man, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, put it for York for Pennsylvania or Salona. So all we will be family. I'll not forget put watch South Korea, North Korea. We salute all man. So you watch for us, Simon Sister will watch. Indonesia, we salute all man. We watch from Indonesia. Morocco. So we thank all man we don't join the show. Finland. Italy. Thank you. Luxembourg. Lubbock. Germany. Amsterdam. Washington DC, Baba Fan, my friend. Uganda. Norway. Protect Ayabacho, those of you from Norway. Philadelphia in Pennsylvania. Denmark. Norway. Protect Ayabacho, those of you in Norway. Protect Ayabacho in Norway. Sweden. Japan. Bahrain. Lebanon or London. UAE. United Arab Emirates. South Africa. SA. I salute all man for SA. Morocco, thank you. Ohio, God bless all man from Ohio. South Africa again. Bahrain again. Very good. That one a flag. I gotta go study that flag. Cyprus. UAE. So we thank all man you watch. In fact, the countries are plenty. And when I get for the remain committed. Thank you all my watch from Israel, Boya. God bless you, capital of Amazonia. Thank you so much. Brazil. Canada, great. Great. Furawa, very good. So thank all man, Germany, and if you imagine the countries are plenty. Abu Dhabi, Maryland, very good. Cyprus, good. Very good. Oh, now UAE flag, very excellent. I see that now. Mbalangi, Dubai, very good. UAE, excellent. God bless you more. God bless all my viewers from Federal Capital. Thank you. Motombolombo Tiko, God bless you. Eseka in Yaoundé. Eseka dinner for Nyong Ekele Division for Central Region. Thank you very much. Where the second train accident just happened there a while ago. Alana, Victoria, North Carolina. Very good. Ukraine, excellent. Norway, that's my man, Gerardo. God bless you. Rochester, excellent. Bahrain. All right, thank you. I'll leave us so. At least we don't get people from Douala everywhere. We get IDPs everywhere. South Korea, excellent. Houston, Texas, God bless you. Germany. Arizona, very good. From Phoenix. Okay, so we'll leave here. We'll salute all man. God bless you now more. I love you now. We'll stay committed. Don't forget, contact me anytime we get an issue. Call me as many times as possible. If you don't get me, sometimes it's sleep. We get time different. I always understand, or I do work, or I do something. But we'll always get to catch up. We see procedure for after how many hours, still close to still more than 1,000. And we'll salute all man for Philippines. God bless you. Thank you so much. All right. So some people they say, I give the number again. Okay, I talk say Switzerland for Geneva. God bless you. So if you want to send for Zelle, PayPal, or Cash App, I'll give the number 202-905-8701. 202-905-8701. That's the Cash App and the Zelle number. Why PayPal now ntelegraph@gmail.com. I see people they watch from Australia, and thank you so much, Baba Fan from Washington DC. So PayPal once more now ntelegraph@gmail.com. So we'll talk bye for now. Today, no music, just straight to the point. God bless you. I love you so much. Contact me anytime. If you know I share or like this video, go click on love and like and keep on commenting and know that Eric Tato loves you more than you can imagine. Bye-bye for now. Houston, Texas. Bye-bye. Thank you, everybody.